instance, an Instagram app. So new Instagram app available for download now. A new app from Instagram, share everyday moments, not just the highlights, real life, real quick, just jump straight to the camera and share with the tap, no edits, no overthinking. Here now, use either app, share and view instance from here or Instagram. So that's kind of the idea of what you can get. I think this is kind of alternative to Be Real or something like that. So just check this out. And then you can see it's instantly in the top charts. Obviously, everyone wants to try it out. So you can share this instant moment, similar to Locket app probably, or like to Be Real, this space. Be Real app was really viral some years. So now you just need to select Instagram account where you need to be logged in, and then you can just sign in. So introducing instant sharing the moment, get straight to the camera to share with friends fast. Instance can't be viewed again once they're gone. Use either app, share and view instance from here or from Instagram. And then you just give access to camera. And that's share little moments, photos disappear. So then you can just share. So for example, so that's it. And then you can just add a caption. You can friends or followers you follow back, and that's basically it. And then you can obviously set up widget. Tap and hold on your lock screen, tap customize, search for instant and add the widget. So that's kind of the idea. Just like the Locket app or Be Real, this is only visible to you. You can select it, you can see in here, and then save to camera roll, delete instant, and that's what you have. So that's just how you get started in here.